What excites you about robotics' future? What if I told you that the Tesla robot, Optimus, from the electric car manufacturer Tesla, will revolutionize the humanoid robot market for all time? Although a lot of people are dubious about this decision, tech-focused YouTuber Dave Lee thinks the Optimus robot should be given a chance and has exciting things in store for Tesla enthusiasts who are prepared to wait. This video will discuss Elon Musk's successful track record of starting several businesses, Tesla's performance, and Dave's opinions on the possible market for Optimus. We'll also talk about the difficulties Tesla has experienced in the past and how it overcame them to take the lead in the market for electric vehicles. Come along as we investigate the potential applications of the Tesla Optimus robot and how it might completely alter our perception of robotics. Let's get this video started, so take a seat back, unwind, and click the like and subscribe buttons. Technology-related subjects are covered by YouTuber Dave Lee on his channel. He offers opinions, news, and reviews on a variety of tech-related goods and services, such as game consoles, laptops, cell phones, and other devices. With more than 1 million followers, Dave Lee's channel is well known for its thorough and educational material. We will now discuss his opinions in one of his films regarding the Tesla robot. Dave Lee recently got back from attending Tesla I Day, which he found enjoyable. When the Optimus prototype was revealed, he saw that different individuals had different reactions to it. Some thought it was garbage, while others thought it would take over the world. Dave thinks that Tesla's Optimus robot should be given some leeway because it has a vast potential market, a solid track record, and Elon Musk has successfully founded many companies. He also thinks that it's easy to misinterpret something that's so early in development. Dave had the opportunity to talk with a number of the engineers leading the teams at the event, and he came away with the idea that Tesla was still in the early phases of developing Optimus, and that these were small teams that were still expanding. In the smallest amount of time, the goal is to build something valuable and learn a lot in the process. The product market fit is likely to be another important factor for the Optimus robot. Tesla is putting a lot of money into building the greatest teams, infrastructure, knowledge, processing power, and training to succeed in real-world AI. Tesla's brains are AI. Finally, they have the proper approach, a route to market that starts with an accessible, practical robot, maybe making use of its factories, and ends up in the customer's house. According to Dave, Tesla has the opportunity to completely redefine actuators and the concept of a robot body. He also feels that the market for robotics and AI robots is open to them. The crucial question is, however, will this idea be a huge success for the business? Musk asserts that humanoid robots will transcend the concept of an economy, and that Tesla will become the world's largest company, despite criticism from skeptics of the project. Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, has the potential to become one of the biggest and richest goods in history. Although the robot's original purpose was to carry out hazardous, tedious, or repetitive jobs, its talents and abilities are positioned to expand its utility across numerous global markets. Elon Musk has multiple options to make Optimus a successful company. Tesla may provide fleets of robots for hire or sell the gear. On the other hand, those who buy the Tesla bot directly will probably have access to a huge app shop that is far larger than any app store that exists today. In just a few seconds, each app may download and offer incredibly helpful features that alter real space, such as building a house, practicing kung fu, or even just going grocery shopping. The most creative investors are those who are prepared to follow Elon Musk, sharing the thrill of taking something that has only been seen in science fiction and turning it into reality, even in the face of skepticism over the Tesla Optimus robot. The world is changing at a rate never seen before, bringing with it previously unimaginable opportunities and technological advancements. The future Optimus will be on level with human capability, much as people already spend a few bucks to download apps to their phones, and the value of each app may be worth as much as a career. This implies that depending on how beneficial they are in the actual world, apps could fetch thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars for sale. Optimus is going to completely change the way we perceive robots. It will be delivered with its operating system, which includes the ability to move and communicate with others. But over time, users will pay to upgrade their bots' functionality and level of sophistication. Consequently, the only thing stopping Optimus is our creativity. The way investors value companies appears to be seriously flawed despite its potential. For instance, Tesla's worth is based only on its automotive sector, despite CEO Elon Musk's repeated claims that the company's current subsidiary, Tesla Energy, will someday match the size of the automotive division. Optimus is obviously out of the question since, regrettably, it's either not clear enough or not a big enough firm now for people to add it to their financial modeling or projections. The present value of a company's future cash flows, however, determines its value. This entails projecting future earnings for the business and discounting it to the current. This is an intriguing idea that Tesla's automotive division can easily implement. If Tesla sells 20 million vehicles annually at a profit of about $10,000 each by 2030, it would have made $200 billion. We can apply a 20 times earnings multiple to this, which makes sense considering that big tech businesses currently have multiples of that magnitude. If they are able to reach these targets, Tesla's market capitalization would amount to $4 trillion by 2030. Still, 7 years separate us from 2030 in this year, 2023. Something that is worth $4 trillion in 2030 won't be purchased by investors for $4 trillion now. We would still have to discount Tesla's car business to the present, since they demand a return of some kind. If our assumptions regarding the 15% compounded discount rate are accurate, the amount that investors should pay for simply Tesla's automotive industry now would be approximately $1.5 trillion if we extrapolate this back 7 years into the future. Naturally, a lot may happen in 7 years, and investors might not think Tesla can turn a $10,000 profit on each car by 2030. Again, though, having a Tesla could call for a certain amount of fantasy about what might be feasible. However, given that Tesla's market capitalization is currently at almost $600 billion, it is arguable that investors disagree with at least some of the stated criteria. If it becomes increasingly clear that Tesla can achieve these absurd numbers, then this might alter. Here is an estimate of Tesla's possible revenue from selling 2 million Optimus bots in 2030, assuming all the scenarios listed factors. $30,000 in revenue per unit. $60 billion in total income from the sale of 2 million units. $15,000 would be the profit per unit if there was a 50% profit margin each unit. $30 billion would be the total profit from selling 2 million units. If we multiply these earnings by 40, the market capitalization of the Optimus bot company alone could reach over $1.2 trillion. By 2030, Tesla hopes to sell up to 5 million Optimus units. The first 2 million will go towards improving the robot's quality and boosting output. The range and caliber of Optimus's applications rise along with the advancement of AI technology and the emergence of fresh concepts. As a result, App Store sales expand exponentially, which lowers the P/E ratio annually. And in 2030, the App Store alone might be worth $3 trillion if Tesla produces $3 billion in profit on a 1,000-fold multiple. The Optimus product alone might be worth almost $1.6 trillion now when paired with Tesla's earlier hardware estimate of $450 billion. This value may not have been taken into consideration by investors despite the Optimus product being 3 times larger than Tesla's current market cap. Elon Musk gave the corporation the go-ahead to start developing the Tesla bot in the middle of 2021, and by 2022, the crude robot could already move boxes and lift goods in their factories. 7 years from now, there will still be exponential growth possible, and Tesla has all the parts needed to make this happen. But investors aren't accounting for the potential value of the Tesla bot, which might see a sharp increase in value once Tesla shows off its real earning potential. Overall, the company's valuation may reach previously unimaginable heights in the near future due to Tesla's potential earnings from the Optimus robot and App Store, as well as the exponential growth potential of the Tesla bot. That's all there is to it, people. Technology enthusiast and YouTuber Dave Lee thinks Tesla's Optimus robot might completely change the robotics market. Do you concur with Dave's assessment? Tell us in the space provided for comments below. We appreciate your time, And remember to subscribe to Wall Street Gains for more thought provoking articles on tech related subjects.